Let's learn classroom objects vocabulary. Clipboard, CLIPBOARD, clipboard. Binder, BINDER, binder. Binder clip, BINDERCLIP, binder clip. Divider, DIVIDER, divider. Laptop, LAPTOP, laptop. Glue stick, GLUESTICK, glue stick. Stencil, STENCIL, stencil. Printer, PRINTER, printer. Compass, COMPASS, compass. E-book reader, EBOOKREADER, e-book reader. Staple remover, STAPLEREMOVER. Stapler pin, STAPLERPIN. Bookshelf, BOOKSHELF, bookshelf. Switchboard, SWITCHBOARD, switchboard. Ceiling fan, CEILING FAN, ceiling fan. Tube light, TUBELIGHT, tube light. Bulb, BULB, bulb. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.